Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the maximum number of attempts reached in TikTok. So let's get started. So as you can see TikTok, so I will just open it. So if you are uploading and it's saying like maximum number of reach, it's showing attempts like this. So you have to follow this easy step. So just close it. Then you have to press and hold. Then click on that I button. It will open the app info section of this app. So at here you have to go, just click on here at the storage, just click on here at clear data, just clear the existing data. Then you have to open the app again. If it works, then, and if it does not show error, then it is fixed. If it does not, just update it and it will work. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.